Good morning. Today we are going to study about the sectors of economy, second chapters of economic, class 10th. Uh, on the basis of nature of economic activity, we classified it in between primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. On the basis of terms of employment, we have organized and unorganized sector. On the basis of ownership, we have private and public sector. So the first one is the sectors of the economy on the basis of economic activity, and people may ask what is an economic activity that is done with the motive of earning profit and having contribution in the production process. So that is an economic activity. So on the basis of nature of economic activity, we have three sectors, that is primary, secondary and tertiary sector. The primary sector is directly related with the natural resources. That means we use the natural resources and do the production of goods and services. Example, you can say the cultivation of the wheat. There are many other examples you can give. So it is primary because it forms the basis of all other product. These goods are used for the further production according to the government. The agriculture, forestry, fishing, mining and quarrying are the example of a primary sector. Then we have the secondary sector. The secondary sector is very simple. It will transform the primary product into a finished good or into a manufactured goods. That we get cloth from the cotton, we get sugar from the sugarcane, good from the sugarcane, and many more examples you can give. It is also known as an industrial sector. According to the government, the examples are manufacturing, the construction, electricity, gas, and water supply are the example of the secondary sector. If we talk about tertiary sectors, it is the activity which provides support services to the primary as well as to the secondary services. The example are teacher, doctor, and it also provide a link between the producer and consumer. So producer and consumer in between, he provide the links. You can give the example, that is transport, IT services, the banking services, the insurance, the business services, public administration, defense. There are many services in this sector. These three sectors are not independent, they are interdependent on each other. That is, the primary sector, it depends on the secondary sector, and secondary sector also depends on the primary sector. How it is possible? So primary sector depends on secondary sector. So primary sector needed various tools which is used to produce the goods. So they are dependent on the secondary sector, whereas secondary sector are dependent on the primary sector because they needed various raw material, the primary product which they will get from the primary sector only, and that will be used for the further production. In the same manner, the primary, secondary both are dependent on the tertiary sector. Both the sectors required the transportation services, the communication services. That services they receive from the tertiary sector, and tertiary sector receives various things, manufactured goods which is used to provide the services, primary products also to provide the services. Thank you.